rise in AI and tools like ChatGPT, there's always a question, will AI replace DevOps engineer roles? And this is what we will be discussing in this video, along with what are different DevOps tasks that AI can replace, what are some popular AI tools in DevOps, and also how companies like Netflix, Google, Airbnb are using these tools in their DevOps lifecycle. This is going to be a very fun and interesting video, so watch this video till the end. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome to CloudChamp. In this video, we will be discussing AI and its role in DevOps. And by the end of the video, you will have an idea if AI will replace DevOps engineer roles or not. So if you look at it, AI has seriously grown in the past few years. I mean, you can do everything with AI. You can edit photos, you can create code, you can ask Eminem to sing for you through AI.
You know who it is, Slim Shady, CloudChamp's the name. Subscribe now and elevate your game.
Right? Not just this, GitLab's most recent survey of over 4,000 developers will make you think about it, because they're saying 75% of them are using AI and ML for testing and reviewing code pre-releases, and this is going to grow over the time. If you want to have a look at the survey, the link is in description. Now let's look at the different DevOps tasks that can be replaced through AI. Number one is code deployment and continuous integration. AI can automate the process of deploying the code to various different environments and managing CICD pipelines, reducing any manual intervention in the deployment processes, thus reducing errors and having a reliable deployment pipeline. Number two is automated testing. AI-powered testing tools can analyze the code change and automatically run test cases to identify bugs, vulnerabilities, performance issues, and even generate test scenarios. This can help speeding up the testing phase and better test coverage, also quicker feedback to the developers. Number three is alerting and monitoring. AI-driven monitoring tools can help you analyze real-time system metrics, logs, and application performance data to detect issues, anomalies, or any unusual patterns, and also triggering alerts for immediate attention so that your production does not go down. Number four is log analysis. I don't know about you, but I hate looking at logs, and that's where AI can help you. AI tools can process large volumes of log data to identify patterns and relations, which can help you troubleshoot a problem and also to find root cause analysis. Number five is chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-driven chatbots can provide instant support to developers and operation teams, answering common queries, resolving everyday problems, and a lot more. You can also use it to automate your tasks like setting up environment, setting up infrastructure. So it's like having a ChatGPT, but for your own company, for your own problems. And if you want to know how I use ChatGPT as a DevOps engineer, you can check out this video where I've shown you all the ways on how I use ChatGPT to increase my productivity and save time. Number six is security and compliance. So AI-powered tools can automatically run security scans to identify vulnerabilities and to ensure compliance with security policies and standards, and also to automate some security tasks. Apart from this six DevOps tasks, there are so many other DevOps tasks like resource allocation, cost management, automated configuration, predictive analysis, incident management, and so much more that AI can do better than humans. So I'm very worried. Now let's look at the popular AI tools in DevOps. Number one is Datadog's APM, or Application Performance Monitoring, that uses AI to help DevOps and security team to collect logs, metrics, and user data from applications, backend services, databases, to find issues, troubleshoot them, increase performance, and also to monitor resource usage. Using Datadog, you can get alerts and also roll back any application deployment if any issues occur in the production. Number two is Amazon Code Guru service, which uses machine learning to analyze code, to optimize performance, identify bugs, and to increase overall code quality. Code Guru also integrates with DevOps workflow. It can automatically scan code repositories, identify critical areas of improvement, and generate detailed reports that can help DevOps engineers prioritize their effort and streamline the development process. Number three is Harness, which is a software delivery platform that uses AI to simplify DevOps processes like CICD, GitOps, cost optimization, and much more. Along with this, you also have Jenkins, which is an extension of Jenkins that can be used to automate CICD, Kubernetes deployment, streamlining the software development process. Other AI tools that are used in DevOps are Splunk, PagerDuty, ChatGPT, Ops AI, CICD, and so much more. Now let's have a look at how companies like Netflix, Airbnb, and Google are using AI in their deployment process. Number one is Netflix, the streaming platform to watch movies, anime, series. Netflix uses AI-based recommendation systems to optimize content delivery and enhancing user experience. Number two is Airbnb, which uses AI to automate deployments, scaling, and monitoring processes to ensure high availability of their services for their users. Number 3, we have Google. So Google has integrated AI to the infrastructure to manage load balancing, optimize resource allocation, detect anomalies in the system, also for testing and continuous deployments. Number 4 is LinkedIn. LinkedIn also uses AI to optimize its continuous integration and delivery processes, enabling faster and more reliable deployments. Similarly, companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Salesforce, Adobe, Twitter, Uber, and so much more are also using AI for testing, monitoring, and other purposes. And this is going to be a very common pattern. You'll see many companies adopting AI in their DevOps workflows. But even though they are using AI, there are still limitations of using AI in DevOps. So let's discuss the different limitations or disadvantages of using AI and how they can cause problems when using in DevOps workflow. Number 1 is lack of human context. So AI lacks human context and intuition, which is very important for problem solving and decision making, and also to understand unique situations. That is why DevOps engineers are still needed, because there are many times when you find problems or issues which you have never dealt before. So AI cannot help you in that. You still need DevOps engineers. Number 2 can be inaccuracy. So AI gives you output or results based on the data that it is trained on. If you train AI on poor or biased data, obviously it will give you wrong results, which can cause problems to your workflows. Even there are some times when AI is trained on historical data, which cannot be relevant in the current scenario or future scenarios. So if you let AI do the DevOps task, it can cause issues or it can pull your production down. And there can also be a situation where you are training an AI model which is working properly when it is trained, but if you put it in actual use, there can be issues or it cannot work properly. Next is black box problems. Many AI models, especially the deep learning ones, operate as black boxes where you don't understand how they are doing the decision-making process and how they got the output. And this is going to be a very concerning topic if it is a regulated environment. Similar to these problems, there are problems like cost and resource allocations. It takes a lot of cost and resource to set up and to operate AI tools. There are also problems like security and compliance. If you want to work with AI tools, they had to be compliant with the policies or standards. Also, learning curve. There might be situations where the team members might be hesitant or might not understand how this AI works, which can cause issues. Now that you understand how AI is used in DevOps and how companies are using DevOps along with the problems that can be faced when using AI in DevOps, I want you to answer, will AI replace DevOps engineer roles or not? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.